Hello guys, welcome back to another video, which is the topic today we are going to discuss is MySQL union operator. Basically, I am going to give you the brief explanation about the union. So first of all, the definition is union operator is used to combine the result set of a two or more select statement. It's basically a select statement, which is like, for example, you have a two tables, so you want to combine both of them. So for the brief explanation, we are going to in the real. So I will go create a table. Two table I will create. First, let me log in my system. So we will go and create a table. Create table. I will give an ID int primary key. Primary key. Okay. And I will give a name. Marker. The value is also 50. The next one I will give the last name worker. So this one also I will give 15. The another one I will say age, integer, it's integer type. The salary also salary, it's an integer type. So I'm going to close this. Describe mark. So as you can see now, I have created the table and you can see it in my database. So the next step is we are going to insert inside of a table with the name, last name, age, salary. So insert into mark. First is coming the name. ID is auto increment, it will generate it automatically. Last name, and the third one is the age, salary, okay, and the values. I will say the values. I will say Johan. The last name also DOE. Don't forget to give the semicolon, and this one also. And then the age I would like to say 23, and the salary I will say 20k, 20,000. As you can see, now I have inserted inside my table. So I want to add some more name just by editing. So this one should be 30k, I will say 33, and this one also I will say Smita, and the other will be GANE. This one is also created. So the next one I would be 14k, this should be 43. The name I would say BOE. I would say this one LICE, and I want to see it. Select star from mark. As you can see, the database is created, so there is no missing things. So the next step is we are going to have one more database, one more table, and as I said in the definitions, union operator is used to combine the result set of a two or more select statement. Basically, it's a select statements, so we need to have one more table. So we are going to create one more table. Create table. So I would like to say marks this one, and for this one also I will say ID primary key, auto increment. So the next one will be name worker, so the table is worker, and the next one is last name worker, so this one also giving 15. Age, it's an integer type, and salary, this one is also integer, and then close the bracket and enter. Now let's see if it is in database. Now describe marks. Now as you can see, basically we got the structure of our database, which is the second one. First one was mark, the second one is name marks. So by just adding, I just make another table by the name of marks. So I'm going to insert some query here also. Insert into marks. So in the marks also we have a name and last name. Now we have an age and salary. So by just going to say values, I'm going to give the name here also. So I would like to say Ali, and the last name I would like to say is Khan, and the age is 23. Salary should be, I would say, 35k. So this one, as you can see, added. I'm going to just add 1 to 2 more. This one I would say 33, and this one I would like to say, and this one I would say the catch what and another also I would like to say it. This one is, let me make it 15k, and this one also I would like to say 40 years, and this one is as you can see, this one is also added. Let me see it if it is in my table or not. Select start from marks. So now as you can see, we have the marks also. Let me bring the first table first, mark. The second table is marks. Now as you can see, I have a 3 person, 3 last name, 3 age, 3 salary. It's like it's not matching. It's like first one is the age is matching and the other remind is not matching. So it's a select statement. Union is a select statement operator. So for that purpose, we need to, like for example, we want to join both tables, so we need to insert the query. For that purpose, we need to insert the query. So we are going to insert the query by saying select the. So I want to have a name. Select name. So name, last name, and I want to have an age, and I want to have a salary. So when you insert all of them, then say from, and then you have to mention the name of the table mark. This is the name of the table which we are having in the first one. As you can see, this is the name of our table mark, and this is the table, and the second one is a marks, and this is its table. So we just need to enter and say union, union, so union, and then enter again and select the same process which you have done in the first one. Select name, last name, age, salary, from, marks. When it is done, just give this info and enter. As you can see now, basically we have the both table inside of one table. This was today's topic. I hope I have made it clearly understanding. Please don't forget to subscribe and share. If you have any suggestion, you can give me a comment and I will be there to respond. Thank you.